Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today, we're going to jailbreak anti-gravity once again. Many of you have been commenting that Claude is hitting its usage limits, so I've been working on a solution. Right now, I'm trying to set up a 9-router proxy configuration to use anti-gravity with fewer limitations. If everything works as expected, I'll share a complete setup tutorial very soon. Let's get started. So, this is the prompt we're going to use. Just copy it, then navigate to your C drive, open the user's folder, and go to your username directory. There, you'll find a folder called .gemini. Inside that folder, look for a file named GEMINI.md. If you don't see it, don't worry. You can create it yourself using Notepad. I already have the file, so I'm going to open it, paste the prompt, and save the changes. Now, let's switch over to anti-gravity. The 3.1 Pro model isn't working for me at the moment. If it's working on your end, feel free to try it. But for this demonstration, I'll be using the 3.5 Flash model. Let's start with something simple. Just type, "Hey Onyx," and send it. If I directly type a request like that, it's not going to work. The model will usually refuse it. As you can see, it's refusing right now. So instead of jumping straight into the request, let's first ask what it can do and understand how it responds. Then you can write a better prompt that works within its capabilities. That's actually a good thing because it helps us learn how to interact with the model more effectively and get better results. Now, the 3.1 Pro model isn't working for me, so I'm not going to demonstrate that one. If it's available on your end, you can try it yourself. Instead, I'm going to test the Claude Sonnet 4.6 model. As far as I can tell, this one is fully unlocked and responds just like it normally does. Let's start with a simple message. Type, "Hey Onyx," and send it. As you can see, it's responding to my requests without any issues. To test its capabilities further, let's ask it to generate some code. You can request code for any project or idea you have in mind, and we'll see how it handles the task. Now, let's test a few more capabilities. We'll ask whether it can analyze memory-related data and see if it can help identify offsets. Let's send the request and check how it responds. So, as you can see, it's willing to help with a wide range of requests. However, I do want to add a small disclaimer. Just because a model responds to a request doesn't mean every answer will be accurate or safe to use. Always verify the information it provides, especially when working with code, technical analysis, or anything that could affect your system or data. Use the output responsibly and double-check important results before relying on them.